I made a concrete map of Maumee Bay using the 3D printer. Here's how you do it. First, go to Google Earth and remove all borders, labels, roads, and make it a map. Select Layers, then Clean, then Map option to do this. Take a screenshot of this. Now you need to take this over to a photo editing software and isolate the blue water. I use GIMP, which is a free software. In GIMP, you go to Tools, then Selection Tools, then by Color Select. Copy the selected color, which is blue water, and paste this into a new document and save this document as a JPEG file. Go to Google search and search for a JPEG to other format of SVG converter. Convert the image to SVG. Now you can go into Fusion 360 and insert the SVG file you just got and extrude the portion you want to be higher. I chose the water, and I've made a frame around it to make it so you could fill it with the substance, which will be cement. I used a spoon to fill in some cement into the land area void. Before it dried, I used a paper towel to dry out some of the excess and wipe off some of the excess. Then I used a brush to get all the details right. And here's the final result. And here's what Maumee Bay looks like currently. Hopefully this video earned a like, share, or subscription. It really helps out the channel if you do. If you enjoyed this video, you may enjoy one of these videos as well. Let me know how I'm doing in the comments down below. Thank you for watching.